See, many Indians are deficient in vitamin D, and vitamin D is really important for your overall health. Vitamin D is a kind of micronutrient, not macronutrient. Macronutrient are protein, carbs, and fats. And in micronutrients are your vitamins like vitamin B12, vitamin 8, vitamin 9, vitamin 10, जो भी vitamins है, whatever the vitamins are and minerals हो गए, those are micronutrients. Okay, micro vitamins, your vitamins comes into micronutrients category. Okay, and in nutrients category, the most important vitamin, I think so, okay, I think so, I haven't done any research on it. I think so it is vitamin D, because vitamin D has a lot of function in your body. It maintains your bone health, it maintains your mood, it maintains your muscle mass, it maintains your testosterone level, it maintains your mood, a lot of things. Okay, vitamin D is a kind of vitamin, I think so, which has so many functions in your body. Is not like any type of particular vitamin like vitamin C. If you are deficient in vitamin C, you will you will cause some kind of skin problems, skin irritations, and the problems will last long. The problem बस वहाँ तक ही रहेंगे. The problem will limit to only skin problems. Okay, because vitamin C has a function, I think so vitamin D has only function with your skin, and it will cause only problem in your skin. But whereas vitamin D is a kind of vitamin which will really affect your overall health. Okay, in terms of overall health, vitamin D is really important. If you want to as your protein intake is really important, as your weight training is really important for overall good health, and your okay and vitamin D also is really important as your, if you look at the overall health category, for your overall health, vitamin D also is really important. So if you are deficient in vitamin D, and most of the Indians are deficient in vitamin D, I would say you will be very like very sad, with you are with very sad mood. You will always in a sad mood. You After some time, after some ages you cross, you will find difficulties to walk. You will find bone issues, heart issues, so many issues because of your vitamin D deficiency. And vitamin D is a really important vitamin, I would say. And how I completed I have I was also deficient before 2 to 5 to 6 months before, 3 to 4 months before, I was really deficient in vitamin D. In winters, I have noticed one thing, that whenever I wake up, I was really feeling sad about something. I don't know, I was really sad about something, that I was really sad. I wake up in the morning with a very really sad mood. ऐसा लगता है किसी ने मेरे को पिछली रात किसी ने कुछ मेरे को बोल दिया. Someone insult me last night. ऐसा मेरे को लगता था सुबह उठते ही. ओके, एंड मेरे को ये ऐसा लगता था. एंड देन ऐसे करते 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 आई I research on this topic, why mood is low, why I'm feeling lows in especially winters. Then I found out, if you are deficient in vitamin D, your mood will be always sad. Okay, but when I research on this topic, then I just apply the thing that was spoken to that article, whatever you can say, that what I do to complete my vitamin D. Okay, what did I do? So I did two things. First of all, I did first thing for few months. Okay, for almost 3 to 4 months I did this thing. And the second one, I started this thing recently. Okay, the first one, which is walking. Okay, I wake up at 7:30 a.m. and I brush my teeth. I drink almost 1 liter of water, and I brush my teeth. I wash my face, and I just go and walk. See, I just go and walk 3 rounds of garden. Okay, my garden is about 750 meters, and I complete 3 rounds in like 30 to 32 minutes. I complete my 3 rounds. Okay, in within 30 minutes I complete my 3 rounds of 750 meters. And then after completing my what we say after completing my walk, I just go and take for 10 to 15 minutes of sunlight. Okay, in winter I take more, 20 to 25 minutes, because the sunlight is really weak. But in summer I take only 10 to 15, I would say 10 minutes only. Okay, I would say really 10 minutes, because the sunlight is really really harsh at 9 o'clock also. So what I want to tell you that, how I but see, I know, so sitting in sunlight will not complete your deficit as you take vitamin. But I would say vitamin D, sitting in sunlight is not only complete your deficiency, vitamin D deficiency over time, but it also, resets your biological clock. When you go in sunlight, when you see sunlight after you wake up, just आपने wake up हुआ है और just आपने सूरज को देखा, आपने सूरज की किरणों को देखा, आपकी ना बायोलॉजिकल क्लॉक रिसेट हो जाती है, योर बायोलॉजिकल क्लॉक रिसेट्स. ओके, एंड आपको ना रात को you will found that you are going into a sleepy state. You are really like you are feeling very sleepy around 10 to 12 p.m. You will be like, मेरे को बहुत नींद आ रही है, मेरे को सोना है, क्योंकि आपकी बायोलॉजिकल क्लॉक रिसेट हो जाती है. क्यों? क्योंकि जैसे सनलाइट नीचे जाता है, जैसे सन नीचे जाता है, वैसे ही आपका दिमाग बोलता है कि अब भाई सूरज नीचे चला गया, अब मुझे सोना है ना, आई वांट टू स्लीप. हो गए, और आप जल्दी सुबह उठते हो, जैसे ही सूरज उठता है वैसे आप उठ जाते हो, क्योंकि हमारी बायोलॉजिकल क्लॉक होती है चीज़. ठीक है, दिस इज द आवर बायोलॉजिकल क्लॉक. And this is really important. When you sit in the sunlight, this is really important. Okay, it will restart your biological clock. And the second way how I complete my deficit, vitamin D deficiency, that I supplemented it. Not only that particular vitamin, not only I am supplementing that vitamin D, but I'm supplementing a lot of vitamins and minerals, because I'm deficient in. I don't think so I'm deficient, but still I want to take. So you can see I take beta-dextramine. Okay, you can see the ingredients of it has 400 IU of vitamin D, and which is total daily intake of vitamin D IU. Okay, vitamin D total intake, one day intake, everyday intake is around 400 IU. So it covers the per day vitamin D requirement. And I'm taking sunlight, so I think so 100 or 200 comes from taking sunlight. And I think so I think so I could say that I am not I'm no more deficient in vitamin D. If I took blood test, and I will understand all the things. But if you have money, then go for it. Take your blood report. You will be able to understand in which vitamin I'm deficient. Okay, what should I do? How should I just be healthy, get more healthy by just covering those deficiencies in vitamins and minerals. Okay, and this is how I cover my vitamin D deficiency. That's it.